Hi everyone, I'm Patrick from BRP Accessory. Today I'm going to present you a couple of the new accessories that we have for Spark in 2019. We've got our new handguards, which are perfect for more regions where it's a little bit colder, so it gives protection from water splashes and from the wind also. Compatible with any type of Sea-Doo because they're universal fit in the end of the handlebars. Here we have also our fender, our snap-in fender guards, which are really easy to install on the Spark. There's holes that are pre-drilled here that you can just insert, and it gives protection from the docks. Up here we have our new comfort seat. So for extended ride on the Spark, this is a really nice seat. It's got an extra layer of foam and a larger seating surface to better spread the weight. You also have a certain form that gives additional support for the back. We have it available on 2-up and 3-up. It's a direct replacement, so there's no installation time. It's really not complicated. Also for the Spark is the new mirrors that we have here, the side mirrors. So people have been starting to get used to having mirrors on PWCs. So we're gonna have a kit available for the Spark. And on the back here, we have a really exciting news with the links. Links are starting to be a huge hit with Sea-Doos, so we now have some installation kit available as an accessory that could be installed on the Spark 3-up. So these kits allow you to install a bunch of link accessories like this cooler. We also have the jerry can and some link bags. So thank you for watching this video. It was Patrick from BRP Accessory. You can find all this accessory in the Accessory Sea-Doo catalog.